Introducing Green Loop, a green and clean technology platform that transforms waste into opportunity. Green Loop connects everyday users who want to sell their garbage with garbage pickers who collect and deliver waste to block-level storage units. Getting started as a seller is incredibly simple. Users can register by providing just a few basic details: their mobile number, full name, and location. Once registered, they can seamlessly log into their account and begin their journey toward responsible waste management. The magic happens in our intuitive dashboard. Sellers can effortlessly schedule waste pickups by specifying their exact location, selecting the type of garbage they need collected, estimating the weight, and choosing their preferred pickup date and time. Within moments, their pickup is scheduled and confirmed for the selected date, making waste disposal as convenient as ordering food online. But Green Loop isn't just about waste collection. We've created a complete circular economy. Users can browse and purchase eco-friendly products made from recycled materials directly through our Green Store. These products are sourced from our trusted recycling partners. We believe knowledge is power. Our platform features comprehensive in-app training modules that educate users about sustainable practices, proper waste segregation, and environmental awareness. For our valuable picker community, registration is equally straightforward. Pickers can register by providing essential details, including their phone number, name, location, Aadhaar number for verification, and vehicle registration details. This ensures a secure and trusted network of waste collection professionals. Once logged in, pickers access a powerful dashboard designed specifically for their needs. They can track their total earnings, view available pickup jobs ready to be accepted, monitor upcoming scheduled pickups, and review their completed pickup history. When a pickup request comes in, pickers can instantly accept jobs that match their location and schedule. After collecting the waste from the seller's location, they can mark the pickup as completed directly through the app, automatically updating their earnings and maintaining a transparent record of their work. Green Loop isn't just an app, it's a movement toward a cleaner, more sustainable India. By connecting conscious consumers with dedicated waste management professionals, we're creating jobs, reducing environmental impact, and building a circular economy where nothing goes to waste. Together, we're transforming waste into wealth, responsibility into opportunity, and individual actions into collective environmental change. Join Green Loop today, because when we work together, we don't just manage waste, we create a sustainable future.